This is a brand new 2011 Ford Fiesta. Its top features include air conditioning, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, door reinforcement beams, and 4 well-positioned speakers producing sound quality throughout the cabin. With an EPA estimated rating of 37 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Ron Dupratt Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1760 North Lincoln Street in Dixon.